Politicians of Jamaica gave themselves a salary increase of up to 214%. But before I continue, try to like, follow, share, and comment. I want to hear from you in the comment section. The PMP, which is the current opposition party in Jamaica, is making comments in regards to the fact that the JLP party, which is the current government of Jamaica, or the current governing party of Jamaica, is or gave themselves a pay increase, a salary increase, which is a fair complaint to make. I also see the leader of the JLP party, the current prime minister of the country, saying that he did not take the salary increase and his salary is still at $9 million per year. A fair point to make. However, what I think most people are not getting is that the one who is saying they didn't take the salary increase, the salary was increased under his administration. And the ones who are saying, are complaining about it, will be taking it and already have taken it. And they have not said anything about going in to the current governing body if they win the upcoming election on September the 3rd. They haven't said anything about that they will be rolling back the salary. People, may I beg you, please stop making them politicians your fool. Please stop making them politicians your fool. The government of Jamaica is not only the current party who is in power. You realize when you watch TV and you're looking at the host there where one of them sit down in the parliament and are both sides sit down in there, orange and green. Don't make them fool. Do not make them fool. Okay?